This is Jennie Stanchfield with Shades of Intimacy and Elemental Feminine Workshops. You can find us at jenniestanchfield.com or Shades of Intimacy at jasonfsmith.com. We are here today for our daily download. I am joined by Rainey Lake and my son Riley Smith. And today we are going to talk about harnessing up your family and getting to it. So, actually just a few minutes ago, Rainey, Riley, and I decided that we needed to get out and move. So we harnessed up actually one of our dogs, not actually a family member. We harnessed up one of our dogs and we went running. And what struck me about running with my family was, number one, how much more enjoyable it is. And number two, just how having people there that are part of your tribe and that are all moving in the same direction just makes it easier. It's also really helpful when you harness up a dog and they pull you up the hill. But that's beside the point. So Rainey, what did you get from today's run?
I think one of the things that I learned about how unique it is to actually run in like a family dynamic. And because for me, it's really easy for me to like pump myself up and run by myself. But when I'm moving with a group, it's a little bit different. But it's also cool to like run with your tribe because, you know, like if they're ahead of you, if they're like fulfilling like their purpose in that, it's awesome. You can trust them to be where they are and it's fine. And you're in the perfect place as well. Mm-hmm. And so that was something that I learned from today.
Yeah. It reminds me of, you see those bike races where the teams, where you have the person out in front who's actually breaking the wind so that the team behind them can take a rest, you know, so they're kind of taking the brunt of the wind coming in their face so that it breaks it for the rest of the team and they switch places. So it's kind of like you can have people in your tribe breaking the ice for you and making your way a little bit easier sometime, and then you can help them.
Yeah, totally.
So, yeah. What about you, Riley?
Greasy pizza plus running don't mix.
That's the other thing. Your family helps you purge nasty things like greasy pizza on a run. No, but I think for all of those listening out there, you know, I encourage you all to go out, find, you know, with your tribe, with your family, and start to play with that dynamic of where you can move together on one wave with your family, and sometimes you can get out there and help them. And then at the same time, you can switch places and take a rest, and they can help you, because, you know, we can't do this alone. So I encourage you to look to your tribe to help you do that. So again, this is Jennie Stanchfield, Rainey Lake, and Riley Smith with your daily download. Have a great day.